Okay, class, today you are going to be designing a flyer of your bell schedule. Okay, we're going to incorporate shapes and images along with some font. Okay, so first thing we want to do is click on design. And the first thing I want to do is change the background color. So go to page color, and I want to set mine up to black. Okay, next thing you need to do is go to insert. Click on shapes, and I'm going to use a rectangle, and I'm going to place that across the top of my document, just like this. And I'm going to click on layout options, and remember, I always like to click on fix layout, because then I can move it around wherever I want. And then in Word documents, guys, it's always about adjusting, just trying to get things just right wherever you want them, playing with it a little bit. Sometimes they don't come out right on the first try. Just try again, right? So what I want to do on here is go to up here to, with my shape selected, come up here and remove outline. And I want to change the color of this to a different blue. I like that blue. I'm going to go with that. Next, I want to go in, select shapes again, and insert another rectangle. I'm going to place this one here on the side, just like this. Try to line it up with the top one. There we go. Again, I'm going to go up, remove the outline. Go up to shape fill, and I'm going to do this one red. There we go, South Garland colors, right? So I'm going to go to Google and look for South Garland logos, or South Garland school logos. I'm going to choose an image, bring it into my document, and paste it. Again, go to layout options, fix, and then you can move it wherever you want. I'm going to place mine right here. With the image selected, I'm going to double click it, and then it opens the picture format tools. So from here, I'm going to choose something that makes that simple squared image look a little better. So I like this rounded diagonal corner. I'm going to go with that. Then with my shape selected, I can type in there. So I'm going to put South Garland High School. So remember what I told you. In Word, you got to arrange things. So my font, my letters are there, but they are behind the shape. So then I come to layout options, and I tell it that I want my rectangle behind the text. So I click on that, and there's my text. Now I can highlight it and edit it. So I want y'all to choose something that looks nice to you. Nice big letters, at least 26. Maybe even bigger. 28 looks nice. So I go with that. Again, adjust to where it looks kind of centered. If it doesn't, kind of use the space bar, line it up just right. So there we go, we have that. Next, I go back to Google and look for a different South Garland logo. Once I find it, I bring it into my document. There it is. Again, fix. Now I can place it wherever I want. I'm going to bring it here and place it there. Again, double click it, and then you can format it in a different way. I'm going to use this beveled oval that creates a black shadow that is so soft you can barely see it, but it's there. It adds a nice little touch there. Alright, so once that is selected, you come back up here to where it says South Garland High School. You click on the end here, and then you hit enter. 1, about two times, right? Where your cursor appears here. Once your cursor is there, I want y'all to go in and go ahead and list your classes, your A-Day classes. Okay, so you're going to go in and you're going to start writing your A-Day classes. So first period, what is it that you have? Right? So title it. So that is South Garland Bell Schedule A-Day. So you're going to go in and you're going to write your bell schedule. So first period, A-Days, y'all have me, BCIM, from 7:30 to 9:30 a.m. And then you're going to go on second period, third period, and write your schedule down. I would highlight this. Again, change the font, something a little more attractive. And I would also underline it, give it a different, better look. And again, adjust to where it looks right. That looks right to me. So then once you are finished with that, you place your cursor at the end, hit enter twice, and then go ahead and type in your B-Day class. If another document opens, guys, you can always go into it, put your cursor at the top, and then click on delete or the backspace, and it gets rid of it. Okay, so now we have our bell schedule for the A-Day and our bell schedule for the B-Day. So now in this side rectangle, what I want you to do is go to Insert, and you're going to go to Text Box. You click on Text Box, click on Simple Text Box. That's, again, it brings it into a different document. You double click it, you click on Fix. Remember, Fix allows you to move anything wherever you want to put it. Fix. Now I can move it wherever I want it. To move text box, guys, you got to kind of hover over it. Once it turns into that little cross with the arrows, you can click, and then you can move it wherever you want. Okay, I brought it in, and then remember, it's all about adjusting. So now I can kind of put it however I want it. There we go. I can highlight this text and get rid of it. And now I can type in here. So what y'all are going to type in here is your teachers. The teachers that you have. So again, I know I'm first period on A-Days. So Mr. Salcello, A1. And then A2, whatever teacher you have. A3, whatever teacher you have. Then once you get to the end of your A-Day teacher, hit enter twice. And then start with your B-Day classes. Okay? And again, adjust it. If it doesn't look right, try to move things around. So now you have this text box in there, right? So I know you're probably thinking, why does my text box white with a black outline? If you click on your text box, you can come up here and get rid of the outline. No outline. Then you can change the color of your shape fill. So you can put it red. You can see it blends in now. Yellow, whatever it is. But for this assignment, I want y'all to go ahead and either change it to the color of red. If you change it to the color of red, I want y'all to go back in and change the letters to white so that they stand out more. You see? The letters stand out more, makes it look better. If you don't want to change the color of the text box, then leave it the way it is, okay? With the black letters, the white outline, and it looks great like that. So once that is done, guys, I want you to go back to Google or to Chrome and Google a picture of a bell. So you can click school bell clip art, and it'll give you several examples. And then I want you to bring it in and then paste it. Again, click on layout options, fix, Once that is clicked, you can move it wherever you want, and then center it right in the middle here, guys. That looks good to me. It doesn't have to be this exact bell, but choose something similar. So when you are completely done, your document should look just like mine. And when I say just like mine, I mean it should have a rectangle here, two shapes, a logo here with some kind of formatting edited, a logo here changed up to in the format of pictures, your bell schedule from first period to fourth on A day, your bell schedule from first period to fourth on B day, the teachers that you have, and a bell here. Okay, guys, so that is our assignment for today.